Welcome back to Saas Beast Pro, your go-to spot for mastering powerful tools with ease. Today, we're diving into 7 hidden Notability features for Windows Note Pro that will seriously level up your note-taking game. From smart imports to audio tricks, we're unlocking features you probably didn't know existed. Now let's get started. Number 1. Create new note. Creating a new note is the foundation of everything in Note Pro. It's fast, flexible, and sets you up to use all the hidden features we'll explore next. Let's do it. Step 1. Open Note Pro and click on the plus or New Note button to start a fresh note. Step 2. Begin typing directly. The app autosaves everything as you go, so there's no need to hit save. Step 3. Want to add more than just text? You can record audio, import files, or even drag and drop documents right into your note. Step 4. Choose Import to Current Note if you want to merge content without starting over. Step 5. You can upload doc or PPT files, or pull them straight from your device or Google Drive. Step 6. Once imported, use tools like Highlight, Pen, Move, or Insert to organize and annotate your content exactly how you want. Number 2. Change language. Switching the app language is a simple but powerful way to personalize your Note Pro experience. Whether you're multilingual or just more comfortable in another language, this feature makes the interface feel more intuitive. Here's how it's done. Step 1. Click on the gear icon in the bottom to open the settings menu. Step 2. Scroll down and select the language option from the list. Step 3. Choose your preferred language from the available options and click to apply it instantly. Number 3. Audio function. Note Pro's audio feature lets you record voice notes and fine-tune your input and output devices for better clarity. It's perfect for meetings, lectures, or quick thoughts when typing isn't ideal. Let's do it. Step 1. Select the audio option from the main menu to access your sound settings. Step 2. Under Microphone, choose your preferred input device, either the default mic or communications mic. Step 3. Scroll to the speaker section and pick your output: default speakers, communications speakers, or Realtek digital output. Step 4. Once selected, your audio setup is ready for recording or playback directly within your notes. Number 4. Manage subscription. Managing your Notability subscription unlocks premium features like audio transcription, smart summaries, and progressive quizzes. It also ensures seamless access across both Windows and iOS. Here's how it's done. Step 1. Select the Manage Subscription option from the main menu. Step 2. If you're on a free trial, you'll see how many days are left before it expires. Step 3. Tap Upgrade to Plus to keep access to advanced features like automatic transcription and intelligent quizzes. Step 4. For iOS users, make sure you're signed into the Notability app with your Notability account. Step 5. This links your subscription to your email, allowing it to sync across both the app and the website. Step 6. If you started your subscription on the web, open the iOS app, go to Settings account, and sign in with the same email. Step 7. This won't affect your iCloud settings. It simply connects your subscription across platforms. Stick around. The next hidden feature might just be the one that transforms how you take notes forever. Number 5. AI customization. AI customization lets you unlock smart features like flashcards, quizzes, and real-time transcription. It's a hidden gem that turns Note Pro into a powerful study and productivity tool. All right, let's get into the steps. Step 1. Click on the gear icon at the bottom of the screen to open the settings menu. Step 2. Scroll down and select the AI customization option from the list. Step 3. Under the AI section, toggle it on to enable all AI-powered features. Step 4. In the Learn section, turn it on to activate study tools like quizzes and flashcards. Step 5. Check your monthly question limit to track how much AI assistance you've used. Step 6. To enable transcription, make sure the feature is turned on. It converts your audio recordings into searchable text. Step 7. For full access to smart notes, unlimited quizzes, and chat features, tap Start Free Trial and upgrade to Notability Pro. And just wait till you see what the next feature can do. It's a total game changer for multitaskers. Number 6. Recently deleted function. Accidentally deleted a note? No worries. The recently deleted function gives you a 30-day safety net to recover anything important. It's a hidden lifesaver for fast-paced collaboration. Here's how it's done. Step 1. Open the main menu and scroll to find the recently deleted section. Step 2. You'll see a list of notes marked with how many days are left before permanent deletion. Step 3. Click on any note to preview and decide if you want to restore it. Step 4. To recover, simply select the note and hit Recover. It'll go right back into your library. Step 5. If you're sure you don't need a note, select it and click Delete to remove it permanently. Step 6. You can also use Select All to manage multiple notes at once for quick cleanup or recovery. And coming up next, a feature that's not just smart, but incredibly intuitive. If you ever need help along the way, just tap Help to reach the Notability Help Center. They've got your back. Number 7. Contact Help Center. When you're stuck or something's not working right, the Help Center is your direct line to expert support. It's a built-in safety net that ensures you're never left troubleshooting alone. Here's how it's done. Step 1. Click on Help from the main menu to open the support options. Step 2. Select Help Center to browse through guides, FAQs, and tutorials for the Notability web app. Step 3. If you need personal assistance, click Contact Support to open the support form. Step 4. Fill in the subject of your issue and select the type of problem from the drop-down list. Step 5. Add a short description in the issue details box to explain what's going wrong. Step 6. Optionally, attach an image or screenshot to help the support team understand the issue better. Step 7. Enter your email address so they can get back to you. Then hit Send to Support to submit your request. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Saas Beast Pro for more powerful productivity tips.